what you will see on your way from my end to Alligator Pond. Beautiful. Alright, so we're coming up to the entrance of the Wigton Wind Farm. So the first time I saw these guys, I was like, oh my gosh, they are so big. They're so huge. Yeah, so I have to let you see what it looks like. So this is what the entrance of it looks like. And there's a sign, Wigton Wind Farm, right there. There's one right here. So this is what it looks like, guys. You have to stop so that you can see what it is. You hear them? Yeah. You can actually hear the sound that's coming from it, right? When the what do you call it now? The blade moves. Yeah. And here is very high. It's way above sea level. So this is what it is. Hello my people. Welcome back. So today I am hanging out at Alligator Pond. Now this is in, I think it's in Manchester, between Manchester and St. Elizabeth. So this is where you get the fresh fish, guys. So if you really want to get some, good fish and thing, this is the place to be, money. Alright. Yeah, so this is the place to be. Yeah, so we just came down, to get some fish and thing. So, I have to show you a little bit of what is going on. So I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, so I'll give thanks unto the Lord, for He is good. His mercy is everlasting, and His truth endure to all generation, guys. So I'm going to let you see, what's going on. It's always a nice feeling to be outdoors and in nature. So let me show you what's going on. So this is the sea, I'm on the, walking along the beach. And it's a good feeling, cool breeze and all these things. So, it's also a good place to hang out now, in the Christmas period. So you guys should come on down and get your fresh fish, if you're watching the channel and you're close by. Yeah. So this is how it is looking, so that you can see the place, right? The boats come in with the fresh fish off the sea. Yeah. So you can come here and get your fish and thing. Alright? So this is what is going on. So if you are somebody like me who, if you should have a little fish or eat a little, it has to come from the sea. So we don't eat, freshwater fish. This is the place to be. Alright guys, so this is what is going on. Beautiful sight. Beautiful. Wow, look at this. Awesome. Wow, this is so beautiful. Come on. Wherever I go, I will, try to let you get a little bit of what is going on. You know what I mean? Yeah, this is my first time coming to Alligator Pond. So, I'm going to show you around and show you a little bit of what is going on. This is what it looks like. They have a shed and all these things, so you can buy from the vendors on the side with their fish and thing. Yeah. Okay. So, what is your name again?
Sister Moose.
Sister Moose is the one that we get the. Yeah?
Nobody down here don't know me, only my sister then.
Okay.
Them a tree could have gone my yard if me a go.
This hour?
This a jack.
So you say you couldn't go a yard, you don't go a yard?
No, some people don't want it at their yard.
This is a jack grunt, this is what?
It's a butterfish.
Oh.
Butterfish are nice fish.
Butterfish. And that you always talk about honey, butterfish.
And parrot. How much you want?
And
I'll
parrot.
go and serve you.
Yeah. Put some in it and then I'll put you out.
So this is the place to be if you want the fish, good fish. Eh?
You want this one?
No, but yes, when the place
You want this one?
No,
Yeah.
no.
You want that, babes?
I want to make sure.
You want it to be served so we can
Okay.
get too big one, too much big one.
Don't buy this one, cut in a two then, man.
Goldfish, you want the goldfish?
Yeah, man, no
What the
problem.
goldfish there? Show me
So,
goldfish.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Nice fish that you know.
But yes, I eat yourself for just fry.
You can't steal like what them I can't steal for
Yeah,
them
them
a
are
fat.
What the one the name?
That they party.
Put it on the scale and I'll make sure.
The one the, what the one the name?
Man, that's about 10. I tell about 20 pounds now give you, but it's like an 8. You want 10 pounds?
8 pound that.
And you want 10
We know
pounds?
how much that you know.
Eh? A 10 pounds.
The big one where you put in a while ago, what that name? Are the same one as this?
Paggy. No,
Pa-
man. This one is sweet lip. I'll give you this one.
Oh, sweet lip.
Give you this one bigger.
So what the poggy? Put it up, let me see.
So-
That?
This is sweet lip.
So you
This
want
one is pargy.
parking, so what kind of fish that?
Shall I deal with you good?
Right.
Wow, look at them, man. Mercy. Oh, nice. This is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I've never seen that before. Oh, nice. So I guess him feed them or something. So what you try and give them? The what? The gut? Oh, the gut. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. So this is Awal Seafood restaurant. And we have the man right here. This is Mr. Awal. And what do you want to say to the people, Mr. Awal?
If you want to taste, you have to come to Awal Seafood, come taste the difference.
Yes,
From the sea to the pot.
that's right.
Bless you know?
Yes, yes,
Fast
yes.
food.
That's what it is.
All right.
Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful place though. The setting, nice. Right at the seafront. Hmm? Oh. Yes, nice place, man. You can come here and hang out. This is the place to be for the nice fish. Oh, nice. So Mr. Oswald is taking me around to see a little of, wow, this is nice, of what the place is like. Okay, very nice. So this you have functioning restroom, very nice. Functioning restroom, looking very lovely. And you get to overlook the sea. Wonderful things happening here at Alligator Pond. Oh, nice. So this is what the menu looks like. You know, all Jamaican dishes, Jamaican things. Bar and snack area. Oh, beautiful. Then here is Mr. Oswald. Come on, guys, you need to come on down here and check out Mr. Oswald's Seafood Restaurant. This is it. And this is a background that you can take your pictures and all these things. Wonderful. And I can just imagine how it's beautiful at nights. The light up on all these things. And here you go, how you have the sea just looking out. Just amazing, amazing, guys. You need to come here and hang out at Awal Seafood. So this is where we are going to get our fish and thing. This is it. Oh, so he's showing me around a little bit more. Okay, right here, so. Okay. Okay, so ocean view. You get the ocean view right here. And here's another hangout spot. Yes, and the seating is lovely. The seating and the place is clean. That's it. That's it. Okay. This is nice. So you have welcome to Awal Seafood Restaurant. So this is a place if you want to book it for your family. You can just, don't it? You can book this like this area. So if you have something, this is nice. This is nice. Yeah, so I will be hanging out here. I will be coming here to have my fish and thing. It's a beautiful place, my people. So I'm gonna just walk around so that you can see what it is like from the sea view side. So this is what it is looking like. And you have birds on the beach front and all these things. Beautiful, beautiful. So, you know, whenever I travel around, I'm going to let you see a little of what's going on. So this is what it is from the angle here, my people. Beautiful. Wonderful things going on here. And I'm going to catch this now because the guys, I think, well, he's not throwing out the gut. But anytime they throw out something, the birds come and eat. And it's such a beautiful thing to watch, my people. So them coming already because they know that they're going to throw out the gut. Look at that. Look at the birds. Look at this one. Look at that. That's the black crow and all these things. Everybody taking up something. This is amazing. I've never seen this. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Everybody get a piece of meat. Look at this. Everybody getting something. This is just amazing. Ouch. So this is the experience. Wow, what a beautiful experience this morning at Alligator Pond. Just amazing. Look at that. Oh, wow. I'm just excited about nature. I'm sorry. Beautiful.
Because you're
Oh.
strong, right? When you eat fish, you're strong. Yeah. The palm my friend also sell the fish.
What is her name, honey?
My name is Verona, but I call me Sister Moose on the beach.
So, Sister Moose is the place where you need to. She's the one you need to come and get your fish from. and when you buy from her, she'll scale them right there for you.
They have to know where to come though.
Alligator Pond.
Alligator Pond. Right there.
All right, so it was a good, morning, just hanging out at Alligator Pond, getting our fish and things. So this is the place to come, my people, and when you come, you just connect with Sister Moose. All right, so she's the one that we got our fish from. All right, so until next time, do take care, and I'll see you again. Yes, take care, Sister Moose. All right, so take care until next time. Adios.